Mulitewa no boya.
Mboba nchikomyewo. Wow. Wow. Babi tawacha. One oje. Muje bareko basebo. Kale tubesunze ncha. Lovely fam, welcome back to the Diana Prima channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, feel at home on this channel. So I've been working on a camping series. This is the third part of the videos. If you are someone that is interested in camping, yes, this is the third part, and today we are going to be looking at one of the activities that we had at the BP camping site. Yes, and one of them was river tubing. As you can probably tell in this video, we are going for river tubing. Yes, I use Tubing Masters UG. You can check them out on their Facebook and on their Instagram. I will leave the details in the description box, and for those that want to catch up on the two previous parts before we actually get to this third part of the camping series, I am going to leave the links of the videos in the description box as well. There are two videos I have done before this. It is very okay for you to pause this and go watch them first, but if you don't mind, you can still watch this and then go ahead and get the other two. So yeah, this camping series is still ongoing. I still have more to show you, more of the activities. So yeah, stick around and enjoy this part of it all. This video is going to be about tubing the Nile, so enjoy this. Hi Gladys, you're ready to tube the Nile? I can see. Me, I planned for that trip, you know. No, I didn't, but of course a swimsuit can do. Because then you're going to the... I know. Wow, this view is really nice. Yeah, we need to take some pictures. Hey! Hi, are you ready, Sharon? What took you so long?
I changed my mind.
Sissy, where's your tube? Hi, Paula.
Palero.
You'll be fine. Oh my god, I missed that. I missed that.
Hey yo!
Tugenda Zambala. so pretty. Kale nawe bale tuleeta soko je kaka akasawo tukwate mabigawo ka print. Thank you so much, River Crew. You've been so good to us.
Why not?
Thank you, Alex.
Thank you.
So one by one, eh? Not all of us at the same time. One person at a time.
Welcome back.
Thank you. Can you imagine those days are by the road? What do they expect us?
Oh guys, and we've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for keeping around till the end. I really do appreciate. I was trying to say something here, but then I noticed there was music in the background while I was editing, so I chose to do a voiceover for it. But thank you so much for sticking around. Thank you so much for the support. More content is coming. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, to comment, to share, and yeah, see you next time. Goodbye. Is it counting?
Yeah.
Tubing the
This
Nile.
Carry it. Carry it.
I can still crop those things out. Don't mind. Tubing.